Summertime is for strawberry cocktails. Not all strawberries are the same. The ones in the container from the store versus the ones from my garden. Remember, color is flavor. These aren't garden variety strawberries. These are strawberries from my garden. And they're sweet, but this is for a cocktail. So we need agave syrup or honey. And citrus, in this case, lime. And make them smooth. That color is electric. That strawberry puree and a scoop of sorbet, that's what I call a Tequila Sunrise. Or strawberry puree with some Italian bitters, some of that sorbet, topped with Prosecco.
Remember the sherbet punch from the 70s that, like, if you went to a party with the 7-Up and the sherbet in it?
Oh my God, you're right.
A perfect summertime drink. I love it so much. That's a fun one.
I could think of 100 cocktails for this stuff.
Both are winners in my book.